Hey Viva Angels, I am coming to you today to show you a dermaplane that we did on a new patient. She has not had a dermaplane before. This is her first time, so we're really excited to get her going and get her started on a skincare regimen so that we can see the wonderful changes that are going to happen with her skin. So I'm really excited. I know she is too. Lots of dead skin cells coming off on this session again because it's the first time. Usually you'll see about 2 to 3 weeks of dead skin cells coming up along with all that peach fuzz. Because she has some color to her skin, you'll see that brightness come in as well. That uneven skin tone and color will also look a lot better. She'll get that nice glow. At the end you'll see that we do an illuminize peel on her. She did really well. She didn't really get that red or anything, so I wasn't too rough on her anyway. It's her first time, right? You can see all that peach fuzz coming up. I did use an oil on her as well. That kind of makes things a little more comfortable for certain skin types. I don't use it on everybody, but I did use it on her. I think also when people have their first dermaplane, I think they're not really sure what to expect. I don't know if maybe they think it's going to be painful because it's a scalpel that we're using. And then as soon as we get started, they realize how nice it feels and actually how relaxing it can be. So, and again, when the hair grows back, it grows back exactly the same. It does not change. It does not get thicker. It doesn't get longer. So you don't have to worry about that. All the products that I use on her before and after are all medical grade so that she'll get the best results. I did prep her skin before we started, did a nice cleansing, really looked at her skin to see what was going on, did a Visia scan on her. Again, it was her first time kind of getting started, so we really went through everything that we usually go through with a new patient. And you can see she's got some discoloration, and you can see a little bit of texture if you look like right to the corner of her mouth and kind of over the cheek a little bit. And those are things that we're going to be addressing for her as well. This is going to help with her pigment, like I was saying, so that she gets more even color and texture. And then just adding in a lighter peel, which is the illuminize that we did in this session. That will also accelerate her process in getting rid of that pigment and getting better texture and tone. Look at all that peach fuzz. Awesome. I did some extractions on her as well. You're not going to see it in the video, but I did. That's good to do, especially after dermaplane, because when I go over those areas with the blade, usually it will decap that blackhead, so it'll be a lot easier to get it out. Usually you'll see me go back to places maybe I've done already, because as I move the light, I'll see some peach fuzz that is trying to escape the blade. I'll go back and get it. This is the peel. Almost done. She did really well, and we'll keep you updated on her progress. Bye, angels.